My name is Jan and I'm from Germany. Okay, I decided to join the advanced yoga teacher training because I wanted to deepen my practice, and I actually wanted to learn how to teach because I didn't learn that on my first teacher training at all. And also to connect back with yoga and get a deeper understanding of alignment and adjustment and teaching itself. Honestly, I didn't have much expectations. I was hoping to deepen my practice and find good teachers that actually know how to teach. Actually, I think I stumbled over Alpha Yoga School while browsing for yoga schools within Europe because I didn't want to go all the way to Bali, and my visa for India got rejected. So yeah, I found the website. I thought the website was really appealing. And then actually what convinced me to book this yoga teacher training was the call with Martin and Joanna. Honestly, my expectations were exceeded. It was an amazing teacher training and I feel like I couldn't have asked for more. Especially the alignment and the adjustment classes were just out of this world. They were the teachers were incredibly knowledgeable, and especially also the teaching aspect was a very big priority of the teacher training. I thought that was amazing. Also, I really liked the workshops. I thought just focusing on certain we did a backbending workshop, for example, and a handstand workshop, which were just phenomenal. And also I felt especially in my last teacher training, the teachers were great, but on this one it really felt like we were one group and the teachers were always approachable. And yeah, we just became a yoga family, and that was amazing. My favorite thing was breaking down yoga poses to the core and really looking deeply into why is this toe there and why is this turned this way and why is this rotating that way. That was just great. I feel like my understanding of yoga poses got renewed. It made me have a more broader look at it and overthink my relationship to yoga as well and certain poses. I would say I feel much more confident, especially in knowing why certain body parts are in a certain angle. Especially in the alignment classes, the teachers could always give an answer why it is in a certain way. And that was just great. I really like that our anatomy teacher is actually a trained osteopath that actually has a deep understanding about anatomy and physiology. All the extra stuff was really good as well. We had amazing kirtan nights and dharma talks, and I really, really appreciated the sharing circles where we grew together as a group. Group energy was just great, but in the beginning I was like, how are we gonna all fit together? But when the ice was broken, it just became this beautiful yoga family, and we became really close to each other. And I'm beyond grateful for everyone that I met during this teacher training. I feel like as soon as I step on my mat every morning, I will remember Martin's adjustments and alignments, all the yoga poses that I break down. I have certain cues in my head that gonna make me remember what I learned here. I think the location really deserves the name EVS Islands. It's just beautiful, and again, you can really focus on your teacher training, and there's just the opportunity to go for a swim every morning, and the staff was just great, food was amazing, and yeah, rooms were great and clean, and we were really well taken care of. I definitely would recommend this teacher training, especially when you really have the intention to teach. just because yeah, you really learn how to build a sequence, you really learn how to adjust people, you really learn how to approach students, and I would definitely with all my heart recommend Alpha Yoga School.